Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Mummy Pig. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes. I draw 2 circles like this. Then, I draw her nose and her face. I continue to draw her cheek under her eyes and her smiling mouth. Then, I draw her 2 ears. What is she holding? Yeah, she is holding a teddy bear. It is her favorite toy. Then I draw Mummy Pig. First, I draw her eyes. I continue to draw her nose. I draw her cheek under her eyes and her smiling mouth. On her head, I draw her ears. Then, I draw Mummy Pig's body and her hands. Finally, I draw flowers and hearts around them. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use orange to paint Mummy's dress. Then I color Peppa's dress red. And I also use red to paint Teddy Bear's dress. For the teddy bear, I use dark yellow to paint. To color their skin, I use light pink. shapes of hearts, I use red and green to paint. Yellow. Plum. And cream. Finally, I use dark pink to paint their mouth and their cheeks. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.